Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to install and set up Google Classroom. So in order to do this, we'll need to open our Google Play Store and from here begin a search for an app. Enter Google Classroom, select this app and install it. After installation process is complete, we can open our app. Let's get started. Choose the account you want to use for this Google Classroom or add another one. I'm sticking with this one. Let's move. From here, click on this plus button and then join the class. Enter the class code which you should be provided with, and after entering right class code, click on join and you'll be joined with a class. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.